Is it recording? Okay, it's recording. Hi everyone, this is Sampriti and welcome back to my channel. So it's coronavirus time. Lockdown 4 is ongoing. Today is 24th of May. Tomorrow domestic flight starts and I am an essential service worker. Well, I'm not saying this to brag. I also got to know about it in the first lockdown when everybody was doing work from home and they were locked down. I was actually working. I had to work and I was like, why am I working still? And then I got to know, madam, you have to work because you are an essential service worker. Well, not complaining because I was enjoying my work. Well, nevertheless, it has been a long time since I have been working because of all the lockdowns, and it is lockdown 4. And finally the flights have resumed, and I live in Assam, and it is quite far. I could not have gone back safely. I still don't know if I will reach home safely. God may forbid. I hope to stay negative as long as possible, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, tomorrow is 25th of May, and I will be taking a flight to Dibrugarh, Assam. So let's see. Assam government has launched a new quarantine program which is named as Ruthless Quarantine with a Big Human Heart, where 7 days of mandatory institutional quarantine are followed with 7 days of home quarantine if I test negative. So yeah, let's see. I'm looking forward to it because it has been long that I've been home and I've been working and I need a break now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm pretty sure airport scenes will be different this time, and I am looking forward to record it and share it with you all. Also, I'm sorry that it has been a long time that I haven't vlogged, but I will now, with all the time in hand, surely will start vlogging again.